Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with USAA deposit transfers, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing funds with USAA deposit transfers, first, log into your USAA account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section located on the main dashboard. From here, select the account from which you would like to withdraw funds. Next, look for the option labeled Transfer or Withdraw. Choose the Withdraw option to proceed. You will then be prompted to select the destination account for the transfer. If transferring to another USAA account, choose it from the list. If sending to an external bank account, select that option and enter the required details. After selecting the destination, specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Double-check the amount to ensure it is correct. Next, review any transfer options or options for immediate or scheduled transfers. Once satisfied with your selections, click on the Continue or Next button. At this point, you'll see a summary of your transaction for final review. Carefully read through the summary to confirm all details are accurate. If everything looks good, proceed by clicking the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal is processing. Check your email for additional confirmation or updates regarding your transfer status. Lastly, monitor your account to ensure the funds arrive in the specified destination. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.